Hi guys, it's LPS Heartsy here, and this is my dollhouse. This is my dollhouse tour. So this is just a little vlog that we were starting off. So yeah. This is the bedroom. The bed can come down. You have to put it up so you can close the dollhouse. When we're done, then we'll close the dollhouse. But that's part of the bathroom there. Here's the shower. Oh, and also there's the handle, and there's a shower head right there. See the little dots? Yeah, that's the handle to the shower door. But there's another door right here, I think. Yeah, I think so. Oh, and also this is the bathroom floor tile right there. See? Yeah. Oh, and also this is the sink where we also take baths or wash our hands too. Yeah. Now let's go downstairs. These are the very, very, very thin. These are the very thin stairs. That's the kitchen, and this is open. I can't close it really much. And that's the oven, and that's the kitchen sink right there. And that's the window above the kitchen sink. And this is the living room basically. So yeah. And also there's a door right there. And there's a TV. Wait, I promise you that there's a button somewhere. Here it is.
Scanning access card. Welcome home, Barbie. Door is unlocked.
It's great to be home. I'm hungry.
Yeah. Yeah, and also look. Yeah. Yeah, that if you press the button at the front door, then the same thing will happen. But also, there's also a button on the stove. See it? Yeah. But in my dollhouse, it doesn't work. Yeah. Oh, and also, you just lift this thing up to close that. I'm sorry if my Moana doll is there sleeping right now. I didn't put that up there because then I couldn't hold my tablet right now. So yeah, and that is my dollhouse. My dollhouse tour video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Oh, and also, it's time to close this baby up. Yeah. Look, you have to put the bed up, and then the 2 floors up, and then put that up. Oh God! Oh no. Okay, there. Oh, and also on the side, there's a little hole that looks like a keyhole, but it really isn't. And also, look, yeah. You put this right there, and then you put it wherever you want. I want this to go right there. Yeah, not where I am. Alright. Okay. Ow. This is my house, and this is my house, and this is my house, and show me yours. This is my dollhouse, and show me your dollhouse. Subscribe, leave comments down below, and bye!